Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 2026 Mercedes GLS Maybach 600, a masterpiece that redefines what luxury truly means. A flagship SUV that commands presence with sheer elegance, blending craftsmanship, technology, and power into one seamless creation that costs nearly $400,000 but feels every bit worth it. Starting from the lower left, the imposing grille finished in chrome radiates authority, flanked by vertical slats that sparkle like jewelry. Moving upward, the sleek digital LED headlights cut through the night with precision, framed perfectly to highlight the wide, confident stance. Across the front, the signature Maybach emblem reminds you this is not just a Mercedes, it's the pinnacle of the brand. Shifting to the right, the sculpted lines across the hood flow like silk, reinforcing its aerodynamic grace. Down to the lower right, the chrome-detailed bumper and air intakes enhance both cooling and presence. Finally, circling back to the left, every curve of the GLS Maybach 600 whispers refinement while declaring dominance. This is not just transportation, it is status elevated into art. As we move to the rear, the aura of exclusivity continues with unmatched sophistication. The LED taillights stretch with a futuristic design, linked by a glowing chrome strip that enhances width and elegance. At the center, the Maybach lettering stands proudly, reminding everyone that this SUV belongs to a league of its own. Moving downward, the quad chrome exhaust outlets are polished to perfection, suggesting power hidden beneath the luxury. Panning to the right, the muscular proportions and sculpted rear bumper offer confidence without aggression. Now, back down to the lower left, the chrome accents and refined stance seal the impression of opulence. This is not simply an SUV, it is luxury redefined. Stepping inside, the 2026 GLS Maybach 600 is nothing less than a rolling palace. The hand-stitched Napa leather seats cradle you in unmatched comfort, offering heating, cooling, and massage functions for every passenger. Moving across the dashboard, the twin 12.3-inch displays combine elegance with futuristic control, delivering navigation, entertainment, and performance data at your fingertips. Shifting down, the crystal-inspired air vents and handcrafted wood trims add timeless richness. On the lower right, the Maybach exclusive metal pedals and ambient lighting elevate the cabin into a sanctuary. Returning back to the left, every inch of this interior is designed not just for driving, but for living in absolute luxury. Every detail is a symphony of elegance, comfort, and craftsmanship. From the side, the Maybach 600's grandeur is unmistakable. The long wheelbase, chrome window surrounds, and distinct Maybach badging on the pillars radiate exclusivity. Moving upward, the flowing roofline emphasizes elegance while preserving SUV practicality. Across the flared arches, massive multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in premium tires reinforce its power and grip. Shifting downward, the chrome-finished running boards offer both utility and grace. Finally, as we come back, the GLS Maybach 600 defines what a luxury SUV silhouette should be, imposing yet graceful, bold yet refined. An icon for those who live without limits. Under the hood, the 2026 GLS Maybach 600 is as powerful as it is luxurious. At its heart lies a handcrafted 6.0L twin-turbo V12, producing 600 horsepower and effortless acceleration. Moving upward, the digital gauge cluster displays real-time performance, seamlessly blending tradition with modern tech. Across the center, dynamic drive modes including comfort, sport, and chauffeur adapt the ride to perfection. Shifting to the right, the airmatic suspension with active body control ensures every journey feels like gliding on air. Bringing it back, the engineering creates a ride that is powerful yet whisper quiet, thrilling yet refined. This is performance dressed in pure sophistication. Now, let's talk about what makes the GLS Maybach 600 worth nearly $400,000. It offers not just a vehicle, but an experience unmatched by any other SUV in the world. Moving across, the technology, craftsmanship, and exclusivity make it a rare jewel for those who demand only the best. Panning to the right, ownership comes with premium concierge services, extended warranty, and the prestige of the Maybach name. Finally, coming back to the left, this is more than an automobile, it's an expression of ultimate success. If you're ready to experience the ultimate blend of performance, luxury, and prestige, the 2026 Mercedes GLS Maybach 600 awaits. an SUV built not just to be driven, but to be admired. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.